stack completed.
Vector and stack means list implementation class is completed.
The list.
Yes.
Okay. Guys, really, you people getting that all the concept, understanding? Right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah, because of that real-time scenario, guys, how it is happening. There is a difference between all the implementation class. There is some difference is there, right? You should be analyzed, guys. You should be analyzed what is the difference between all the implementation class and where we have to use to that which class, where we have to use. You should be analyze that part, right? What is the purpose of array list?
Yes, sir.
What is the when we can use to that array list and when we can use to that linked list? Which scenario we can use to that linked list and which scenario we can use to that vector, right, guys? And which scenario we can use to that what start. So there is a what, guys, scenario based means requirement based we can utilize use to this implementation class, guys. Okay. Yeah, so that part you should be inject in your mind, right? How you can inject that all the things, guys. You should be work out, you should be implement that what, guys, POCs, and you should be get a what, guys, queries when you are going to developing that application based on that array list, vector, stack, what, guys, linked list. At that moment in your mind should be come that questions, guys, why we are going to use into this class, why you are going to use in this class, what is we have a array list, why should go to that array linked list? We have a linked list, why should go to that vector? We have a vector, why should go to that what, guys, stack? Like that question, you should be come in your mind. At that moment you get that knowledge. Otherwise there is a what, guys, there is a what we have to tell, uh, just there is a implementation class, what it is there, that, and if you had completion that code, that is not a required, guys. That is not enough for getting what skills. You can go
Yes,
to
sir.
that entire concept like that only, guys. Entire concept come into that in core Java level. What is the purpose of basics? What is the purpose of data types? What is the purpose of arrays? What is the purpose of string, right? So what is the purpose of collection framework? So there is a purpose is there, right? That that word you should be come in your mind, guys. Really, analyzing skills should be required here. That part should be every day you will fight with these things only, guys, right? You should be analyzing
Yes, sir.
skills is required. Analyzing skills, you can implement that part, guys. So here is that training point of view, we are not able to give that all the POCs, right, guys? Almost how many methods is there, you can check in collection interface having to that 12 method, and all classes having almost 5 to 6 methods extra method, right, guys? Is it possible to give that all the scenarios to that POCs? No, right?
No, sir.
Yeah,
No,
yeah,
sir.
you should be practice, guys. You should be get your own knowledge, you should be required, guys. It is right.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay, guys. So last class we are completed what, guys, vector and stack. So that list the interface implementation class, all the class are completed. So guys, there is a difference is there. So that difference we can talk when we complete that word, guys. Set interface it is complete, then we can talk about that all the different. Okay, guys.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. So guys, tell me what are the implementation class for that set. And first of all you can go to that hierarchy of that collection framework. Can anyone tell me, guys?
HashSet, linked set.
Linked set, where is that linked set?
Linked HashSet, linked HashSet.
Guys, you should be, there is a word also is there, every class names and terminology you should be strong, guys, clear cut, you should be here. Linked set, if you if you talk like that into that where guys in real time scenario, then it is a little bit complicated, right? You should be what guys? This all the what should be required to pronounce it properly, right? Yeah, you can explain to me all the interfaces and implementation classes, and what are the set implementation class you should be explain me guys. That hierarchy you should be explained first.
So there is one interface iterable, and
Yes.
it extends to collection, and collection divided into three parts: list, queue, and set. Then list implements four types: array list, linked list, vector, and star. And set implements like HashSet and linked HashSet, and also set extends like sorted set and preset.
Excellent. What is sorted set here? Implementation class or interface?
Yeah, sir, interface.
Excellent, guys. That Sudhanshu is that what is good because of like that you people can tell guys. If anyone asks to that hierarchy of that collection framework, you should be tell like that only. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And after that, they will ask a question. What is the difference between array list, linked list? What is the difference between linked list and vector? What is the difference between vector and star? Like that question, it will become, guys. You should be prepared, right? So, guys,
Yes.
that difference also I will give you all those things, guys, because of nowadays that it is very important. So I will give you that after completion of that set interface, guys, set interface implementation class. If it is done, then I will give that all those things, guys. Okay. I will. There is a not there in our website, guys. Difference is there or not? I think
Yes,
set sorted set interface map. Linked hash map, class table, how to create hash difference between iterator, list iterator, difference between comparable comparator. Okay, I think there is a difference between all the implementation classes not there. I will give you. Okay.
yes, sir.
Okay, guys, tell me what is the hierarchy for that only set interface? Tell me, anyone. Only hierarchy for that set interface.
Linked hash.
Linked has set. First one is that come as a set interface. What guys? Linked has set. It will become first.
That is interface, sir.
Sir, set is a interface
That
that implements.
implement HashSet and linked HashSet and
Guys, you people are not followed that website. Followed or
Yes,
not
sir.
followed?
following.
Yeah. Then why you people are confusion here, guys? This is the set is that interface. There is a what, guys? From that set interface, there is a two direct implementation class is there. That is HashSet is there and linked HashSet is there. Right, guys? Tree set is not direct sub implementation from what, guys? Set interface. There is a extending means there is a child interface is there, that is sorted set, right? The tree set implemented from where? Sorted set only, right, guys?
Yes,
You should be follow this diagram, guys. This hierarchy should be followed. Okay.
yes, sir.
Okay, guys. Then we can discuss now what is that. You people can check here, guys. This is that set is that interface, and there is a hash set is that implementation class, and linked hash set is that implementation class. And what, guys? There is a one child interface from that extended from that set interface, that is sorted interface, sorted set, guys, right? And from that sorted set, there is a implementation class is there for that sorted set, that is tree set, guys, right? This is that hierarchy for what, guys? Set interface. This is that hierarchy for that set interface. and this is that hierarchy for that what guys? List interface,
List interface.
right? So you people can
Yes.
remember it guys. How you can remember, I don't know, but you can draw that diagram and you can remember it, right?
Yes, sir.
So guys, we can discuss now what is the what is the difference between list and set guys. First of all, when we can go for that list interface, when we can go for that set interface, guys, you people can tell guys when we can go for that list interface.
Duplicate records
Yeah,
and homogeneous.
yes, if I want to store duplicate data,
Duplicates.
and
Yes.
then we can go for what guys? List interface
List
implementation
interface.
class. Only list implementation, list interface implementation class you can take to store that what guys? Duplicate data. But I
Yes.
don't want to store as a duplicate data. At that moment, which concept we can go guys? Set interface,
Interface.
right? Set interface,
Yes,
there
sir.
is a implementation class is there that is not able to allow what guys? Duplicate data, right?
Yes, sir.
This is that major
Yes.
difference between list interface and set interface, right?
Yes, sir.
Then
Yes.
you those people not able to satisfied guys, only if you tell to that only one point, then what you have to do, you can tell what is the child class of that collection interface, and it can be store that unique what null values, it can be store what duplicate value, it can be store what guys, what is the and this there is a list interface can have into that some default capacity is there, right? And the initial
Yes, sir.
capacity is there. You people can talk like all the difference between list and set guys. I will give that point also. So guys, we will see how we can avoid that duplicate data by using the test set implementation class guys, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So guys, how we can create that HashSet object, and how we can create a, how we can store the data. Guys, what is the collection interface content? How many methods is there guys?
12 methods.
12 methods. It is applicable for that HashSet or not?
It's the applicable.
Yes, sir.
It is applicable. It is applicable for all the implementation class of list interface, all the implementation class of that set interface, guys. Which one available into that collection interface? Okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So guys, we will create a object for that set interface implementation class, and it is really it is not able to accept it. It is really not able to storing the data as a duplicate data. We will see. Okay, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, go to that word guys, practical we can go. uh yes, so which one yours guys here, take that. Yeah, okay guys, so I'm going to creating one more yeah, I'm not able to creating that one more package. I'm going to creating implementation class here only, right? So creating a class as set class guys, set example. This is that first class, first implementation class inside where guys, set interface. Okay, and creating that main method guys here, create a main method. And you people can, how we can create that has set guys, you people can check here.
Yes.
Has set has set, there is a has set. This also available which package guys? This class also available in which package?
Com.java collection.
Java.util package guys.
Okay.
Has set
Yes.
class available in which package? This is the package
Java.util.
guys. Yeah, you should be remember it. Has a set object. This is the way we can creating that has set object guys. Okay, this is the way we can creating that has set object. And how we can add the elements, guys? How we are going to adding that element by using that list interface? Say list interface implementation class, same as like we can use, guys. Tell me, guys, what is that method? Set dot add method. Add method available in where? Collection class. See here, guys. So that implement this set object can set implementation class can be stored that what are the data it can be stored, guys? First, duplicate is allowed or not?
Not sir.
No, sir.
Yeah, I will check that. First of all, I need to check duplicate it is really allowed or not. We can check. Okay, guys.
Yes, sir.
See here, I'm going to creating as is some data here, and there is a duplicate data is there or not, guys?
Yes,
First
sir.
of all, I'm not able to give in that any duplicate. I'm not able to give in any duplicate first. So what we have to do? Yeah, I'm going to give in that part. Okay, guys. I'm going to printing this data, guys. I'm going to printing yes, so set is that my reference variable, and I'm going to print this, guys. Yeah, that data you people can check here, guys. That data it is going to printing, but there is any duplicate data is there, guys?
No, sir.
No duplicate data. I'm going to adding to the duplicate data, guys. How many object I added here, guys? Tell me.
Sir, the number of objects.
No. Now in this POCs, how many object I added here?
4.
4 only. Now what is the output? How many output it will become?
3.
3. Because of that the HashSet is not able to allowed as a duplicate. You people can check here, guys. Duplicate allowed here?
Yes, sir.
No.
No. If I want to avoid, if I don't want to allow to the duplicate, then we can go for which class, guys? Set interface implementation class we can go. Okay. And guys, it can be stored to that only what, guys? Only this value it can be stored what, guys? Homogeneous object it will be stored, heterogeneous object also it will be stored.
Sir, both homogeneous and heterogeneous.
Heterogeneous object also stored inside that where, guys? Has a set of class, right? You people can check here, guys. I'm going to adding to that first one is that word, guys, string data. Second one I'm adding to that word, guys. This is the integer data. Yes or no, guys? I'm going to printing this data, that same set object. You people can check here, guys. See,
Yes, sir.
but you people observed here, guys. You people observed here. So when I'm going to implementing to that has a set object, so which scenario we can go? I don't want to allow to the duplicate object, and I don't follow to that insertion order. I don't want to allow to that insertion order. Then we can go for what, guys? Order is not preserved, not insertion order, guys. If I don't want to allow to that order, if it is what, guys, I don't allow to that order is not preserved, then we can go for what, guys? As a set implementation class. Means you people can check here, guys. You people can check. I'm going to adding 4 string data, 3 string data it is came. Means duplicate not allowed first scenario, right, guys? And I'm going to creating what, guys? I'm adding to that 3 integer data. So guys, first it will be print. Srinu, what is Srinu, Raj, it will be print. After that, this value will become. Yes or no, guys? As a array list, it will be print like that only. But if I don't want to allow to what, guys, preserve to that order, then we can go for what, guys, has set. That order you should be going, you should be checked, guys. Here is that which one order we are going to insert the data. Same order it is printing a data. That order is not followed here.
Followed, sir.
Followed.
Not here. Not here.
Where it is followed, guys?
Okay.
Yam first stored
No,
that Srinu has stored. That second scenario Srinu came, guys, here.
No.
No, you people can check here. I'm going to creating one more few more object here, guys. That is what I'm going to creating few more object. That is what I should to take here. Yeah, that is also string only. I'm going to give in A, B, and C. I'm going to add it. You people can check here, guys. My order should be how? First it will be print Srinu, Sinu, Raju. After that 10, 20, 30. After that A, B, C. Like that, that output should be come, right, guys? But that HashSet is not followed to that order, guys. HashSet is not followed to that order. If people can check here how it is going to printing. See here, guys. Is first of all it is printing ABC. After that 20, Srinu, 10, Srinu, 30, Raju. Is followed any order, guys?
No, sir.
No, this is that one of the what, guys, feature available into that HashSet. If I don't want to follow that order, then we can go for that HashSet object. Okay, you people can refresh, guys. You people can save and you can run that output one more time. That output you should be checked, guys. First of all, last output is that A, B, C, 20, C, no. That order you should be remember, guys. And I'm going to execute in one more time. What is that output? It will become. You can check. Is for coming that same object, same order it is coming. It's not able to come, guys, same order. If people can if I have to that more object, then you people can observe here, guys. Srinu 20, Srinu 10, Srinu last is the Raju, right? You people can check here. Every time that order will be changed. If I have to that Raju, if you want to change, then it will become, guys. Or else what you have to do, you can add more object here. Then it will become, guys. Definitely that order should be not followed. A, B, C, D, E, F. See here, guys. This is that order is not followed. Which order we are going to insert in the data, that order is not followed. If people can check here, guys. First is that printing A, B, C. After that it is going to printing small letter. After that it is going to printing string data. After that middle of that list it is string, it is going to adding what, guys? Integer data. Means it is not able to follow to that what order.
Yes.
Now tell me, guys, what is the difference between array list and HashSet? What is the difference between HashSet and array list class? If I want to follow that order is prepared. Yeah.
Allow duplicate values.
Okay.
The array list provide dynamic
Sorted order.
and
Yes.
HashSet is not in sorted order.
Yeah. Sorted order. No sorted order, guys. Here. No sorted order. Order is preserved. Guys, in array list, how it is happen, you people can check. I'm going to creating that array list object, guys. Instead of that hash list, I'm going to creating that array list. You people can check. How I'm going to adding that element? That it will be print same order. It will be print. You people can check array list. By my foreign currency. See here, guys, I'm going to creating that array list. array list ARR equal to new array list. Going to creating that class control C to and yeah, instead of ARR, I'm going to creating what guys set is that my reference variable. This is the reference variable, guys. You people can check now.
Yes.
Duplicate it will be print and that order. How I'm going to adding that data, same order it will become, guys. You people can check. See here, guys. First, I'm going to adding the Srinu, Sinu, Raju, Sinu. Srinu, Sinu, Raju, Sinu. Right, guys. And second thing, what guys? Second output, what is Srinu, Sinu, Raju, Sinu? It will become, and after that, what guys? 10, 20, 30. You people can check here, guys. That output followed. You people are checking or not, guys? How we are going to inserting the data means adding the data. Same format it will be print that array list. Order is preserved or not inside that array list, guys. Order is preserved inside that array list, but HashSet is not followed to that word, guys. Order. That is the different. You should be duplicate is not allowed, and what, guys? Duplicate is not allowed, and order is not preserved. This is the two different. You should be remember it, guys.
Yes, sir.
Right? See here, there is a order is not followed here. Okay, this is the things you people can avoid. And come into that where, guys, yeah, this is that what, guys, HashSet we can implement it like that only. And go to that what, guys, there is a query point what I given here, guys. You people can check. Where is that linked HashSet? Methods in array list, linked list, vector star set interface. Yeah, you people can check here, guys. Say what is that set interface? Set is a child interface of collection. Insertion order not preserved, guys. Order is preserved, right? Not preserved, right? And they appear in that different order in which we inserted. Yes or no, guys? Which order we are going to add it, that is not able to appear, right? And duplicate element are not allowed. Duplicate allowed or not here, guys? Not allowed. And heterogeneous object are allowed. Set interface is implemented by using what, guys? Linked set set interface implementation class. What are those, guys? Has set, linked set, and a tree set. Only set interface, guys. There is a sorted set is that, tree set is that implementation class is there, right? And coming to that HashSet class, guys. This is that implementation class of that set interface. You people can check here, guys. HashSet store that element by using that hashing mechanism, guys. It is storing the data based on what mechanism, guys? Hashing mechanism, right? There is a hashing mechanism concept we can see into that hash map. There is a hash map concept. It will become, guys. At that moment we can see what is that hashing mechanism and how it is going to storing, guys. And there is a what you people can check here, guys. It contains unique elements only, means duplicate not allowed here. This hash set allows null values, guys. Null allows are not, guys, in hash set.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, you people can check here. It does not maintain that insertion order. It inserted element based on their hash code. Right, guys? Hash set, it can be storing based on that hash code. It can be stored that data, guys. Hash set is a what, guys? Best approach for that searching operation, guys. If I want to search that element, then we can go for that word operation. What concept, guys? Hash set concept, right? And there is a what, guys? There are three different ways to create that hash set. How many ways we can create, guys, hash set? This is that ways, guys. Hash set hs equal to new hash set. There is a one more scenario is there, guys. Hash set hs equal to means constructor. We are going to pass into the parameters, guys. And there is one more ways is there, guys. This is that size we are going to give in, right? And here is that what is the default capacity of that HashSet, guys? Tell me. HashSet is that how that array list is that default capacity is there. Same as like
0.75.
default capacity, guys. HashSet is that default capacity.
0.75.
This is that field ratio, guys. Load factor, it is load factor, guys. Load factor or field ratio both are same, guys. 0.75. I said you in where in array list. Load factor. When say, guys, what is the default capacity for that array list?
10, sir.
10. Here also there is a default capacity for that hash set. What is the default capacity for that hash set, guys? 16 is that default capacity, guys. So when that hash set is that what, guys, default capacity as a 16, then how it is going to fill out, guys? Once it is reach out to that 0.75 means 75% is that completed that hash set, then it will be create one more object, guys. How it is happen in array list, same as like here also. As getting or not,
Yes,
it is
sir. Yes, sir.
right. So like that it will become, guys. So there is a object also will be create HashSet object. The HashSet object you people can check how many ways we can create in that object. And what, guys, what is the default capacity for that HashSet, and what is the field ratio or load factor? What is the load factor available into that array list? That is load factor, it will become here also, guys. If you are strong into that array list, what list implementation classes, then it is very simple inside that where, guys, set implementation. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is the way we can create in that element, and we are going to print in that data, guys. Right? So methods in has set, there is some methods is there, guys. That is has set. Get method is there. Set method is there. What is the purpose of get method? What is the purpose of set method? If we want to get that element, a particular element, then we can go for what, guys? You people can check here, guys. In hash set, get method and set method not present because forget what, guys? Forget and set method index is required, and hash set element stored at a random address, guys. That has set method and get method available in where, guys? Array list only. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
So that get method and set method is not available into that where in hash set, right? Problem statement, you people can check here, guys. There is a how we can printing that data. This is the way we can print the data, guys. Right? It is very simple, guys. Really, if you are strong into that where in list into implementation classes, that set implementation class is very simple. We can comparison, always compare, guys.
Yes, sir.
Right, he's given that word, guys. We can creating that one array list object, and we can pass into that multiple data, guys. This is the only one way, guys, how we can store the data, creating that element. You people can check. This is that one approach to adding that element, guys. This is that not only one approach to adding that element. There is a one more approach is there, guys. You people can check here, guys. There is a what is the super interface of has to set, guys? Immediate super interface of HashSet class. Iterable. See, HashSet the immediate super interface is that set, guys. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So if I want to list of, you people can check here, guys. Set is a interface, and I need to store what, guys? Int is the data I need to store. What data I need to store? Int is the data, guys. Type shift, yeah. Yame said you type shift. I explain or not, guys? Type safety.
No, sir.
No, right? Yeah.
No, sir.
Yeah, type safety is nothing but, see, guys, nothing here. This is that HashSet implementation class, right, guys? This is that
Yes.
providing to the type safety, guys. This is the Angular basis providing to the type safety. You people can check here, Control Shift O, and I'm going to give in that what data I need to store. I need to store only integer data. Then the type, see guys, that I what error is gone out into the line number 8, but that line number 11, 12, that all the line getting that error. Why guys? It can be expected only integer data only. It can be stored only integer data. Homogeneous data it can be stored. Not able to store to that heterogeneous data, guys. This scenario. Yeah. Then what should I to do here? What you people can check here, guys. How we can identify line number? Which one is that string data? That line it is getting that error. And when I'm going to add into that integer data, that line getting that error or no, guys?
No, sir,
No, right? So what should I to do? I need to comment it, guys. I need to comment it, and you people can check here, guys. Here also I'm going to comment it. Because of it is that this is that what, guys? String data, but we are going to type safety. We are going to provide into the generic, guys. This is that we can call as a type safety and generic, guys. If I want to provide to that type safety our class, which data I need to store, we can define here only. I don't want to store that string integer data, guys. I need to store string data. At that moment, what should I to do here? String I need to write here. You people can check. This is the line. It will be getting that error. Guys, clear or not?
Yes, sir, clear, sir.
You people can check now. String data is not able to get that error. Only what? Integer data it is getting that error, guys. You people can check. Type safety understanding or not, guys? Now.
Yes, sir.
How we are going to provide into the type safety? See, this is the way we can provide into the type safety, guys. I'm going to comment in this line. Right? It will be print only what, guys? String data only now. See here. Right, guys? This is the one way we can provide into the type safety, guys. And how we can add that element, you people can check here, guys. I need to add a list of integer element, guys. List of integer element, what should I to do? I need to create that array list object. Yes or no, guys? I don't want to create that list, guys, now. And what should I to do? Here is that class. If I what, guys, array list, then what should I to do? I need to create what, guys, list interface is that I take that list interface and what, guys, what data I need to store? I need to store that integer data only. I need to store that only integer data, guys. You people can check here. I'm going to here as a number equal to no equal to, there is a one of the utility class is there, guys. Rs is that utility class. Data as list is that method, guys. As list is that method, and you people can add that element here, guys. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Right?
Yes, sir.
Control Shift O you can do that error it will be go. And you can print, guys. How we can print this data? You people can tell me, guys. Is it possible to printing the data directly system.out.println of numbers? You can check here, guys. That data it is going to printing 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. This is the way we can give, guys. Instead of using to that add method, this is the one of the approach to adding that element, guys. In real time scenario, we can use this only. Means if you want to add that 1 to 100, 10 elements, then we can go for this approach, guys. I don't want to use to that word, guys. List, then you can go to that set, guys. Set is there. Set implementation class. Arrays dot as list. Is that applicable for what? List. Right? This is the way we can go for what, guys? List integers. List of integers. I don't want to if I want to store that what, guys, string data, then what should I to do? Tell me, guys. Same as like I need to write as a string and I need to provide type safety here. String data I need to store, right? And I need to add that element instead of that integer. I need to add that word, guys. String data here, double quotation. Inside the double quotation, I'm going to add into the string data. Guys, getting or not? It is.
Yes, sir.
This is the way we can add that element. You can give that reference variable as a different, guys, then it will be. This is the way we can use that. This is that array list. Arrays is that a class, guys, utility class. We can call it as a utility class, and there is a as list is that method, guys. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
This can list objects and this in to the interfacer.
Sorry.
List interfacer or list implement array list, sir.
This is that array list instead of if we want to use to that, guys, list is that interface, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, if I want to store as a list of integer data, if I want to store as a list of integer data, then you can use to that what, guys, list. Guys, list is a what, guys, super interface, directory interface for that implementation class of what, guys, array list, right? So there is a one of the class is there inside that what, guys, list. There is a array list is that arrays is that class, guys. You people can check here, guys. Java dot util dot arrays. This class contain that various method for that manipulating arrays, guys, right? So that is the reason we are going to
Yes, sir.
using arrays dot as list method, and I'm going to storing that element. It is applicable for that word, guys. List related data. I want to list of string. I want to list of integer. I want to list of employees. I want to list of what, guys, employees salary. That is scenario we can go for creating that object like this only. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So guys, the type safety also completed here. You people aware, guys, that what set all the you people can implement in where array list as well as where set also as set, right? So this is the way we can implement into that as set, guys. There is a some methods is there, guys. If all the method, which method is available into that collection interface, that all the methods can applicable here, but some methods is not allowed here, guys. That is get method and set method. Guys,
Yes, sir.
getting or not?
Yes, sir.
That's
Sir,
also
if I want to print object and integer both at a time, then what's the do, sir?
object means which object?
Any object or integer value. I want to print both object and integer value.
Yeah,
String.
yeah. If you want to add
Then
a
what I do?
yeah.
We can write object inside instead of string object.
You can do very simple, guys. First of all, what you have to do, you can print as a first list of what, guys, string you can take. After that same data you can take, guys, a separate object you can create for that what, integer, that data.
Sorry,
Go ahead.
sir, if I write integer instead of object, that is also fine. Right, sir? If I write object here.
Where object class,
Yes, sir. Object class
object array.
integer. Yes, sir.
I already
Right.
I already that part also I shown you when I'm going to create in that object array. What is the drawback in that? I already shown you that part also. Object array, if I create that object array, then it will be stored that all the element is no problem. But there is a drawback is there. What is the drawback, guys? In arrays, what are the drawback first of all?
There is no predefined method.
No predefined method, and there is a what, guys, based on that index position we can store the
Fixed
data
size.
and fix it in size. Object yeah, object can be stored that all those element, but there is also size is there, right, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is the drawback. Hello? That
Yes,
is,
sir.
getting or not?
Yes, sir.
See, like this you can add, guys. The data set one. Okay, guys. So this is the implementation of the HashSet object. So
Sir, I'm still confused, sir.
where?
Can you give me the there's the only string class.
Yeah, tell me what is the issue with that?
Sir, if I write hashtag in the within generic, I write object.
If you are given that object,
Object here.
ah,
Here also.
okay. Then which object, guys? Which class object? There is a object is nothing but there is a object. Which object you can give? This is that object only, right, guys? String also object only.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can at that moment you can add to that any element, guys. It can be add to that what? Integer also.
Integer.
Yeah, because of
That's
this.
why
Yeah, you can give. No problem.
you told me, sir, like there is some drawback. What drawback, sir?
Yeah. Drawback is nothing but when I'm going to creating a object, when I'm going to creating a object that what arrays that obj is that a reference variable and what guys we can create in that object. This is the way we can create, right, guys? So at that moment we can give that some in what guys here size, right?
Yes, sir.
Arrays based on that. If this is that array, guys, this is that list, what guys, collection. This is that collection classes. This is that what arrays. There is a drawback. That is the reason we can go for this scenario. You are asking to me that instead of see guys, which scenario we can go for this creating as a given that object. If I want to mix all the integer data, string data and any others data, then we can use to that object.
Yes, sir. That point I'm asking, sir.
Yeah, so that is the reason I said you guys that first point what I said you, based on that requirement, that collection classes, which scenario we can go, what is the requirement we have. If your requirement is that if I want, if you people to add to that all the mixing data, then you can take as a type safety as a string, guys. Provide that generic as a string, what object, then it is possible to store the data. Yeah.
That point I'm asking, sir.
Yes, you are clear right now.
Yes, sir, I'm clear.
Very good. Any other questions, guys?
No, sir.
And guys, this is that data can be stored in based on what, guys? That array list can be stored the data based on that index position. But coming to that where, guys, in HashSet it is not able to store based on that what index position. There is a hash code is there. Every class, guys, this is that hash code, right? That every string can be have to that their hash code. Every class can be generated hash code, right, guys? Based on that hash code, that data can be stored inside that HashSet implementation class. That point I already given inside that website. It is not
Yes,
able to
sir.
store based on that index position,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
See here, guys, it will be created that HashSet object like this. And what, guys, it will be created that initial capacity as a how much initial capacity, guys? What is that initial capacity of that HashSet? 16, right? 16 16 bucket will be created, guys, like this only, right? So if people can think this is at 16 guys. So that in the word guys, there is a what segment we can call as a segment guys. It will be come as a 1 2 3 till 15 guys. 15 it will be can come, and that object how it is going to store means internally there is a hash code. It will be generated guys. That hash code will be decided which object, which bucket it will be stored. It is not able that order is not preserved. That is the reason that a hash set is we are not able to tell that order is not order is preserved here, because of that object can be stored based on that their hash code. That hash code which object it is getting you people to know guys. Hash code,
Yes, sir.
you people to know hash code. Hash code guys, there is a hash code
Okay.
method is there, right? Every object can be generated at the hash code,
Yes.
right? Yeah, this part we can discuss briefly into that hash map guys, how it is happened, each and everything we can discuss. That what guys, hash table hash set is that what is the data structure what is the internal data structure it is guys? What is that internal data structure it is going to follow that hash set guys?
Hash table, sir.
Hash table only, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay guys, that's all that hash
Sir,
set. Yeah.
sir, I have one doubt, small doubt. If you
Yeah,
don't mind.
yeah, you can ask.
Sir, inside our list there is a default capacity is 10, right, sir?
Yes.
Then if we give 10 object, then we if you want to add extra object, then how is increment, sir?
Yeah, that is the reason I said you guys. How it is happen. You can analyze. There is a once that object capacity you people can check. I will show you that part. Yeah, you people can check here, guys. Come into this website. Yeah, when it is happened, see guys, this is the default capacity for that what R list I said, right? So there is a 10 memory will be created. Yes or no, guys?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you people can think like that 0 to 9 will become, right guys? That internally what guys, arrays it will be followed,
Yes.
right? So you people can tell me guys, how many memories it's occupied to that complete 75%?
10, sir.
16.
No, no, no. How many memory it's filled out to that come as a 75%? I need to require that 75%. There is a formula is there, guys. Based on that formula, what guys? It will be if guys, this is there is a 10 memories is there. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 9 like that is there, right guys? So when it is fill out to that first second third fourth fifth and sixth, then it will become what guys, this is the 75%, it will be fill out this memory, this object is fill out. Yes or no guys? So it is
Yes, sir.
that 0.75% is completed now guys. When it is that automatically when it is identified that 0.75%, at that moment there is a formula is there guys. There is a formula is there. Based on that formula it can be created one more object guys, new object will be created. It will be increase that size of that object guys, and this all the data it will be come into this new object only. Guys, getting or not?
Yes, sir.
You people to require that formula.
So what is the formula?
Yeah, I will tell you
How
guys
is internally adding?
how it is internally. First of all, how it is adding to that array list, you people to know. Oh, sorry, arrays. How it is going to adding that element.
So told like this process I'm getting.
Okay.
Then if you add extra point, that can
Guys, you are forgetting that concept as a arrays first. Internal that
Yes,
data
sir.
structure followed, guys. Arrays is that data structure is there, right? Array. Dynamic array is there, right? That dynamic array, it will be stored what, guys? Based on that index position. Internally, it will be work based on that index position. That element will be added, right, guys? Yeah, when that index position come as a 75%, 75% is fill out this memory. At that moment, there is a formula will be applied for this fill ratio, and it will be that size is that 10, right, guys? Automatically, it will be calculated, and there is a formula. I will tell you that formula, guys, tomorrow. Based on that formula, this element, this size will be increased, guys. Same internally, it will be happened arrays only, guys. Arrays it will be stored based on that index position. That is the reason we are going to getting that element based on that index, guys.
Okay.
Getting or
Yes,
not?
As
sir.
it only happened, right?
Correct.
I got it.
You got it.
Yes, right.
Yeah,
Clear.
guys. Yeah. Means if you are really, if you are getting that doubt, if people can first of all invoke onto that word, guys, arrays, how it is going to store in that element. You can give that size and you can insert in the data, right, guys? So there is no what, guys, field ratio related things, predefined methods is not there until reaching out that yeah, what, guys, given size, given array size, it will be fill the data, right, guys? Once we are going to try into that one more object, it will be throw that exception, what is that exception, you people to know, right, guys? But here not able to like that, guys. Internally that arrays index data structure concept, it will be invoke internally, guys. Internally based on that formula it will be work.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yes,
that
sir.
formulas also I will show you guys tomorrow class. I will give you. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I will tell you guys that that is that field ratio is there and how it is going to calculate it, how it is going to increase that size. I will tell you. No need to worry. That what, guys, as I said also happened like that only, guys. There is a 0.75 is that field ratio, and what, guys, there is a 16 is that a default capacity for that as set, guys. Once that 75% is fill out, how it is going to calculate it, I will show you that part also. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys. Thank you so much. We will see tomorrow. But you people can practice, guys. You people can practice with that all the examples. Right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, guys.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.